Lisa here.
Lisa here.
Lisa here. Lisa here, right? Please.
Yeah, surely. I'm going to talk to you though.
Yeah, you can talk to me.
Ask me, or why don't you let him do it? Because he's a really good interviewer.
Go.
He's professional.
So can you tell us about what you're wearing, especially the jewelry?
I can. I am wearing the Nirav Modi heart necklace. It's two beautiful, very well shaped, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful heart diamonds. They are very well matched and they are rare. No, I can't say that. Let's start again.
Yellow.
I'm not supposed to say they're yellow.
I'm sorry.
Specifically in the brief, I was told not to.
Sorry.
Do we start again? Yeah.
So, Lisa, can you tell us about what you're wearing, especially the jewelry?
I can. I'm wearing Nirav Modi's heart necklace. These are two very, very beautiful and rare, very well matching, very, very stunning heart diamonds. Both of them are over 20 carats and they're suspended from pear-shaped and oval-shaped diamonds on 18-carat white and gold jewelry.
Wow. And what do you think of the Nirav Modi store now that you've seen the entire store? What do you think of it?
I'm absolutely very, very, very proud of him. I think it's amazing that he's launched his flagship store, and I think it's been a long time coming. And just walking around the store, it's so elegant. It's so amazing to see all of his jewelry displayed like pieces of art. Everything is so made with so much finesse and attention to detail. Every single diamond has been handpicked by him. The way that they've been put together, the inspirations behind all of the collection. So I think it's a great story to walk into the store and see everything displayed like one big grand piece of art.
Last question, Lisa.
How does it feel as a model? You are representing the Nirav Modi collection. So how does it feel as a model?
I think Nirav Modi's jewellery is the finest jewellery in the world, and I'm not just saying that because I endorse for them. I really have thought that since the moment I came to India and I saw his campaigns and then I saw his jewellery. I always wanted to be the face of his brand. In fact, I went to one of the people that used to work for him and asked if I could endorse for them because I was so in love with his pieces. And I think it's amazing that he's now also going to start international stores in Hong Kong and New York. I think the whole world should see just how beautiful his jewellery really is.
And Lisa, as a woman, how important jewelry is for women?
Well, diamonds are a girl's best friend. I love the way these diamonds sparkle and shine, and Nirav has the best diamonds, the best quality diamonds, the most exquisite diamonds. And jewellery, I think, is a very important part. I find jewellery actually is the defining element on a garment, is the defining element of a woman. I think also the ad that we shot, which is playing on the video inside of the store, just goes to show that jewellery makes a woman feel graceful, it makes her feel generous, and it gives you that sense of wonder and of finesse and of specialness. It makes you feel very, very special when you wear diamond jewellery.
And in diamond collection, what type of jewelry you like most?
Pardon me?
What type of jewelry you
What's
like
your favorite collection?
Yeah.
My favorite collection is actually Sunburst upstairs. I think that bangle is so exquisite. It actually, it blows me away every single time I see it. But from Nirav's collection, I love the Lotus collection. I love the Embrace bangles and the Embrace rings. There are so many of his collections that I love. All of them, really. I can't pick which one, but they're also beautifully inspired.
And any moment which you can share with us when you get a special gift from special one?
Special what, sorry?
A special gift from someone.
Nirav Modi gifted me a beautiful pair of diamond earrings. I absolutely love them. I know, I couldn't believe it because I've been lusting after these earrings for so long. And the other day I was on set shooting and his team came to my trailer and invited me for the launch of this event and said, welcome, we're so glad that you're our brand ambassador again, and gave me these stunning diamond earrings.
Lisa,
I know, I was so happy.
Let us know about your upcoming project also.
We might start shooting something in April, but we haven't made an announcement yet. Thank you.
I guess that's enough. Thank you
Yes,
so much.
thank you.
Please, sir. Nirav sir, yes, sir. Yeah. Yes, sir. Sir, both of your idea. Sir, both of your idea. Sir, you're right, sir.
Say your right side.
यहाँ पे
Right side. Sir, center. You sir, center.
जीतू सर
सर यहाँ पे सामने सर
You center.
सर सामने सर
जीतू सर
ना फुल फ्लैश खोल देना नजर आए सो डाल दे
अपनी बंदोबस्त कर लिया
सब ठीक है साइड में हो जाएगी एकदम
What do you say about this inauguration?
Fabulous. Aparna has done a brilliant job. Thank
And
you.
according to women, how important is jewelry? What do you think?
के inauguration
सर
रवि तू आगे बैठ नहीं सीधा घूम रहा क्वेश्चन पूछो सीधा क्वेश्चन लगा
Thank you.
सर ज्वेलरी का इनॉग्रेशन है आप क्या कहेंगे इसके बारे
अभी जाने दो यार
देखो हम लोग जरा इस मामले में
कितना इम्पोर्टेंट रहता है एक वुमेन के
मुझे खुशी है और मैं इस दुकान को बहुत बहुत मुबारकबाद देता हूँ
हटो 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 हटो